Hey, what's going on, everybody? I am Wambi. That's right, waist bead Wambi. Okay, check out the beads. All right, you know I gotta show off my waist beads, but we're not here for that. So today I'm going to show you a quick hack for baked ziti. So make sure you stay tuned. This is definitely a recipe for the transitioning vegan. It's not hard at all. It's really simple. And if you know how to make spaghetti, you know how to bake ziti. Let's get started, Kartel family. It's the Vegan Kartel coming back once again with the baked ziti. Okay, so look, I'm about to teach you something your mama didn't teach you, your grandma didn't teach you, nobody taught you this, okay? But listen, they weren't vegans, so that's why. You're gonna need some cheddar cheese, the Viola kind. I like the Viola brand. Violife. I want to say Viola, okay? Everybody says Viola, okay? But it's Violife. Violife brand, and the mozzarella Violife brand. I also like these brands, like I said, because they melt. This cheese actually melts, because you know you have vegan cheese that does not melt, okay? But we're not going to talk about those brands. You want to get you some butter. We use Earth Balance butter. And you want to make some flax egg. And if you're not familiar with how to make flax egg, you're just going to take 6 tablespoons of ground flaxseed and 3 1/4 cups of water. Mix it, wait for 10 minutes, and there's your flax egg. It's gonna look like this. And then you're gonna have your pasta. You're gonna have your ziti, or we use penne. I'm using penne today because it looks better than ziti. Just to me, it's a preference. And we're going to have our sauce. And you make your sauce as usual. If you don't know what flavors to put in your sauce, you can try like some sage, you can try some thyme, you can try some rosemary, Italian dressing, oregano. All of those things are really good in the sauce. So, this little hack that you didn't know about. We're going to so basically I made 1.5 boxes of penne. So based on 1.5 boxes of penne, I'm going to take 4 tablespoons of butter and put that in the penne and mix it. And after I mix it, I'm going to also add the flaxseed, well, the flax egg. It's flax egg. And I'm going to combine all of those ingredients together. So let me go ahead and do that real fast. And this doesn't require a lot of work. I mean, the longest thing is just waiting for it to finish baking in the oven. But that's going to be like 50 minutes to an hour. But other than that, I mean, it's really simple, really easy. The family loves it, but then again, they like everything that I cook. I'm just saying, mama know how to cook out here. So we're gonna mix all of these together, ingredients together. It's a lot. I don't like running out of pasta when I'm trying to make some baked stuff, so I probably made too much. You probably only need a box, 1 box. So I made sure I thoroughly mixed the flax egg and the butter in here. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to add, I'm going to give it 1.5 cups of mozzarella cheese. And we're going to mix that in. Alright, so we mixed in our cheese. And we got the flax egg, we got the butter. It's time to put everything out in the pan. So the first thing you're going to put in the pan is the pasta. We have a pretty large size pan. But you put in the pasta first and spread it out evenly. Like that, And then you're going to add the sauce. Then you add the cheese. That's 1 layer. Rinse and repeat. go ahead and get this out of the way. Let's do it. When you add the cheese, you want to make sure that you add your mozzarella and your cheddar cheese. So you can add it to your liking. I like to make sure that all the sauce is covered with both types of cheese. It doesn't matter which one you put up there first. You could put an even amount cheese up there. I normally put more cheddar than mozzarella because I like cheddar more than I like mozzarella. But it's a personal preference, you know, my family likes it too, so no complaints over here. Boom. There you have it. Your Kartel baked ziti. And basically very last thing that you do is you put it in the oven. The oven should be set to 400 and you put it in the oven for about 50 minutes to an hour. That'll give it enough time for the cheese to melt. Don't forget to cover it. We want to make sure that we cover it. That gives it an opportunity, the cheese an opportunity to melt. And just want to thank y'all for watching us today. Let us know when you make it. Let us know how it turns out. Make sure that you like and subscribe to the Vegan Kartel family. That's Kartel with a K. Make sure you follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Vegan Kartel, and that's Kartel with a K. And let us know what you want to see us cook next time. Thanks everybody for watching our Vegan Kartel Baked Ziti Kartel hack. And until next time, waist be wambi out.
Give me the remix. I know I will survive. I know I have to stay alive.
Tukija pamoja kwa amani na upendo tutupata utukufu tutashinda. Tukija pamoja kwa amani na upendo tutupata utukufu tutashinda. Tukija pamoja kwa amani na upendo tutupata